Hello and welcome. In today's video, I'm just going to demonstrate how to replace the key fob battery in this Vauxhall remote key fob. First thing what we need to do is we need to remove the emergency key fob blade out of the bottom of the fob. So we press this silver button here, like so, and remove the blade from the bottom. Using the blade, we pop it back into the hole where it came from at a slight angle as far as it goes, and then we give it a twist and lever it downwards, and it splits the two halves of the case like so, and there is your key fob battery. We just get a small screwdriver and get underneath the battery, and we just prise it from its housing. This key fob takes a battery with a part number of CR2032, like this one. We just simply get our new key fob battery, and on this particular one the writing is facing downwards like so, and we know it's in its correct location. And now it's just time to pop it all back together. So we get the other half of the case, we just make sure everything is lined up, and we just click it back together, and we put the blade back into the bottom like that, and there you go, it's all done.